here, like these two. You don't FOIL it because how to get the second numerator. I mean, you FOIL the minus sign where you get minus x minus 21, but over here is what I started with. And then I replaced it with x squared minus x minus 12, because after you simplify this first part, you end up with x squared plus 9 minus x minus 21, which you can simplify. You can add negative 21 and 9 together to get negative 12. And so you end up with x squared minus x minus 12. Tommy, I think you're x squared plus 9 x squared times. Why do you have? I'm confused about how you got that. Like, I don't. Like, I know we're all, I know where your x squared plus 9 came from and the x plus 21, but I don't know why you have so many multiplied together. If you want to send me a picture of your work later and I can see where you went wrong, I can try to explain that to you more thoroughly if you message me on GroupMe. All right, no problem, Louisa. Thanks for coming. I appreciate it. See you Thursday. So where are these questions from? They're on Dr. Noring's D2L page. It's under exam preparation and exam 1. That's where all today's problems came from. Some of tomorrow's problems I either took from the textbook or wrote them myself. So from here you just plug in 4. Yeah, that's exactly it. Yeah, from where I've written my last step. That's the final. No, this is not the final answer. We still have a little. We're basically there, but we still have to plug in 4. So we're gonna plug in 4 where the limit is, and we get 1 over. Yeah, no problem. I have a sheet where I wrote it all in pen, so it's gonna look a little nicer when I send it in the GroupMe and more concise. So I hope that will help. But yeah, my handwriting is a lot worse on the tablet for whatever reason. So plugging in 4, we get 4 squared is 16 plus 9 is 25. Square root of 25. 4 plus 21 is 25, so plus the square root of 25. Square root of 25 is just 5, so it's 1 over 5 plus 5 is equal to 1/10. So 1/10 is the final answer for this problem. I know that was a lot. This was probably the most algebraically intensive problem for today. I don't know if that makes you guys feel better, but yeah, this was yeah. So 1/10 is the final answer. What I did should be fine. You do need to show your steps. I mean, like, if you don't need to show that. I mean, honestly, if you went from 1 over the square root of 25 plus square root of 25 equals 1 over 10, like, I don't think that you would count up points. Like, I think that would be fine. Because, I mean, most people know that the square root of 25 is 5. And 5 plus 5 is 10. You do need to show your work, but, there becomes a point where, you can do simple algebra in your head, right? But you do need to show most of your steps. I don't know if that answers your question, but what I'm showing here is enough steps. What is the last question for today? So I have 2 more of these limit problems, and then I have a sandwich theorem. I can stop for today if you want me to. I have the same. I can, I was going to go over it until I'm finished. I don't mind that it's running a little late. Next time, maybe I'll plan less problems. Or maybe not. Yeah. Go for it? Okay. Yeah. I'm doing the same types of problems on